Yo, what is up YouTube? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Week Trading channel. Last week I explained that we should see some more bullish movement in the market, and that is exactly what happened. For this week I do see something different. I do see a bit of bearish movement, but in overall we should continue bullish still. If you like the information that I share on this channel and you would like to know more about the Week Trading course as well as the Week Trading copy trading and signals group, you're more than welcome to go to the website, link in the description, and I'll see you there. Also, if you're a new trader to Nasdaq and you want to know how much money you need to start trading Nasdaq with, click on the video that's shown now. This video explains everything in detail and everything you need to know. But before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into it. So looking at the weekly compared to the previous analysis that we did last week, we can see that the resistance zone on the weekly chart was broken. So we closed off with the spinning top the previous week, and the analysis showed that we will probably break out and continue on a bullish run. And that is exactly what happened. And going down to the daily chart, we can look at this on a very bigger scale as well and just see this entire area as a bit of a consolidation area where the market started to play around, broke out, fake out, and then came back in and got some liquidity, and then continued up, broke out, retested the zone and continued up, and retested the weekly zone, broke out, retested it there and continued up. So it's clear that we are moving in a ridiculously strong bullish trend at this stage. If I take my trend line and I just draw it up like that, that is basically the trend that we are looking at. The daily went up, came down, tested it, went up, came down, tested it. And if we follow this in just the normal ABCD patterns, this is basically what we will look at. So started there, went up, came down, retest, went up. So what are we waiting for now? We want another retrace in the market. So draw the line down. Okay, so it's not going to happen like that, but basically we want another retrace of the market, a retest, and then a continuation up. So if we go back to the weekly and we just mark off the more important areas of the market, we can take a box or a line, depends on how you use support or resistance, and we can mark these areas off. So I would say put one there, and we can maybe put one at the bottom there on the close and the opens, and we can go to that area here and just put one there, as that is a zone that I'm looking at. So I'm going to take my box away now. I'm just going to keep these areas here and go back to the daily and literally just look at the overall picture. So what I'm expecting of the market is to follow the daily ABCD patterns, but seeing that we broke through the resistance zone here on the weekly, I would like the week to come back down a little bit and get us some new entries on a lower zone. So if I look on the daily charts, these two areas also shows quite a bit of possibility to give us the significant amount of support. So marking off that one on the daily, and then marking off that one on the daily as well. So if I just take off the magnet quickly and use the normal concept of ABCD patterns on the lower time frame, so it's easier to spot, I can see that we've got a B, C, D that played out on the 4 hour. And if I go down to the lower time frames, what I'm seeing is ABCD pattern started here, A here, and then a B, and then a continuation up, and we've got a new A that started forming here. And if we take the fib and just draw it from that area to that area there, we had a bit of a retrace, and it touched the 38.2, but it's not really a very strong retrace. So what I'm expecting personally in the market for this week coming is that we're going to have retraces, and we're going to have, most probably going to have a bearish week overall, but I'm looking to either catch some support there and get into a buy there, seeing that if this plays out the way that I see it playing out, this area will not be a significant enough pullback. So I would take my fib to that area there, and then if it comes back to this area, it's a 50% retrace. If it goes down further, we can expect it to come to the 78.6. So I'm looking for the week to basically move down in this manner and get a bit of a retest there, get an entry here at the trend line roundabout, and a continuation up, and then a break, retest, and continuation up. So that's just an idea. It doesn't have to play out like that, but I'm expecting us to get an entry around about this area here. So looking at 14,195, 14,200, that area looks like a good area to get into the market. Depends on how the market reacts when we get to that zone there. So we can possibly look at 14,290, 14,300 as well as an entry into the market. This is just a basic analysis of the chart. If you want to understand exactly what I did on chart and how I analyzed the charts and what I saw, you're more than welcome to go to the Week Trading website and sign up to one of my courses, and then also join the Telegram group where we discuss everything, and myself and the students chat about the market and what's going on in the market and everything. So that's just a basic overview of the market. This week is going to be mostly bearish, but we should continue on a bullish trend. So expect the market to come down a bit this week. Myself in the copy trading group that opened up this week, we launched the copy trading, the week trading copy trading this week, and we had a sell limit, and the sell limit literally missed us with $1 on the chart. I think it was 14,390 that we had our sell limit there, round about there. Yes, so that week literally missed us with a little bit. Because it was Friday, I didn't enter manually because I don't know what the swaps are for the different brokers of my students or the copy trading students. So we missed the sell, but there's going to be a bit of a pullback again, and we will probably get into the sell and then drive the sell down, get into the market. TP will be around about there. So bit of a tip for those who follows the trades or the videos that I share on YouTube. So this overview for the market. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video if you think you can share this information with anybody else, and I'll see you all the next one. Cheers.